Hello there, this is Channel Left News. I'm John Ganato, your host for this afternoon. Thank you for watching and enjoy. And now we are on the topic: what are damaging winds? Damaging winds are winds that come from thunderstorms and they cause a lot of damage. The wind speed can reach up to 100 miles per hour. Wow, that's fast. And now we are on the question: who is in danger here? Well, of course, anyone who's outside is in danger. They could get hit by debris, and I could go on and on. But that's pretty obvious. But mobile homes are pretty dangerous too. So, being inside isn't always the safest option. And now we is that a commercial? And now we're on our first commercial.
Well, hi there. I'm Samantha Whitaker. Are you tired of those damaging winds destroying your house? Well, guess what? I can build you a house with a better foundation and a stronger one too. With something as low as $300,000, I can build you something depending on the area that you live. Thank you.
And now we are back on Channel Left News, and now we're on the question: where should you go when there are damaging winds? Well, damaging winds are pretty dangerous, so the basement or the middle of your house is probably the safest option. That way, you'll be protected from the danger outside, and in the middle of it too. Well, yeah, you'll suffer the least impact and still be in your house, I suppose. And seriously, another commercial? Oh yeah, I'll be right back. Jerry, take it away.
Hello. Is this on? Testing. Oh, yeah, it's on. Hey, I'm Timmy Cheester. Ignore the last name, please. Anyway, I'm selling wind insurance, for so many things. Yeah, I'm selling wind insurance, and like, so many things can be damaged because of damaging winds. It's in the name after all. Good deals. 5% off. Discount if you donate $10,000. And it's $70,000 per year.
What was that?
Oh, nothing. Well, I gotta make sure those, yeah, they better not make sure that I am not,
There he is. Security, get him. Yeah, that is very obvious. Alright, and we're now back on Channel Left News. That's a brief section. Now, so we know what damaging winds are, where to go when there are damaging winds, and it will take the most damage. This is Channel Left News. I'm Doc. Stay safe. Have a nice day, and buy whatever the sponsors have. Yeah. And goodbye.
I got the hacker. You're under arrest, bud.